Welcome back. Some of you have noticed that I have been embracing my naturally curly wavy hair a lot more lately. I've been getting questions about it, so let's get into my routine and what I've been doing to kind of revive my natural curl pattern after just not embracing it for so many years. Yes, I did heat style my hair last week, but I'm minimizing heat styling to 1 to 2 times a month maximum, which is progress. We're making progress, but of course, I do notice that my natural hair looks a lot better when I go a few weeks without heat styling my hair. But I'm starting with detangling my hair gently from bottom to top. Even if my hair was not heat styled right now, I would still detangle it first before anything. I always do a pre-shampoo treatment in my hair, and usually that'll consist of oiling my scalp with a combination of rosemary oil and a carrier oil. And if you're interested in seeing my hair oiling routine for hair growth, I will link it down below. But on this day, I just had so much buildup on my scalp from just working out and sweating a lot. So instead, I used the scalp detox from ACNE to really just clear up any buildup. This has a combination of ingredients that just helps to balance the scalp and dissolve any impurities. Then I massage my scalp with a scalp brush. It's really just a gentle way to massage your scalp without doing any pulling or tugging on your hair. I've been massaging my scalp for years, and it's something that just helps to increase blood flow and promote healthy hair growth. I'm also applying a thin layer of almond oil to the lengths of my hair. I like almond oil because it's a lighter oil. It's great for a lot of hair types. It's rich in B7, also known as biotin. It's rich in omega fatty acids, rich in vitamin E, and I like it for its smoothing and strengthening properties. I typically leave this in for anywhere from an hour to 3 hours depending on how much time I have, and then I wash it out. For my shampoo, I use the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine shampoo. I do like this shampoo, but I don't feel like it does anything special for me, so I am going to be trying a few others and I will keep you updated. But I always wash my hair twice to make sure I'm getting a thorough deep cleanse, and I get a better lather the second time I shampoo my hair. I always shampoo my hair with warm water, not hot water, and then after I shampoo, I will typically use a hair mask, but today I had this conditioner that I had never tried and it ended up being way too light for me, and I really regretted not using the hair mask. My thick, coarse, prone to dryness hair needs a lot of moisture, so I don't know why I didn't go with the hair mask, but I've been really loving the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I will towel dry my hair to remove any excess water. I will apply the mask for 10 to 20 minutes and I rinse it out with cold water. Warm water helps with a deeper cleanse and cold water helps to seal the cuticle. Now out the shower, I have high porosity hair. It dries really fast, so I always keep a spray bottle next to me to wet my hair as I go and as I style. I am sectioning my hair off to apply a leave-in treatment. Some sort of leave-in conditioner is essential to me to lock moisture into my hair, and here I'm using the Shea Moisture Silicone-Free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment. I'm also brushing that product through my hair to evenly disperse it throughout my hair with what looks like a Denman brush, but it's not. I do have a Denman brush, but I couldn't find it, so I just grabbed this one. But I just continue to do that throughout my hair. I dampen the hair, I add the leave-in conditioner, and I brush it through. I'm sectioning my hair and dampening my hair again because at this point I'm gonna add mousse. For mousse, I'm using the Shea Moisture Frizz Free Curl Mousse. I like it because it's more of a lightweight mousse. It doesn't leave any sort of heavy cast, and it does somewhat moisturize. I just use my fingers to apply the mousse, and then I go in with a gel. This is the Honey Curls gel. I like how this one defines my hair without making my hair extra crunchy, if that makes sense. I apply the gel the same way I did the mousse, and then I scrunch my hair. You're gonna see me do a lot of scrunching because it helps me to really bring out my curl and wave pattern, and it helps me get a lot of volume, and that's what I'm going for today. I want big voluminous hair. I continue to do that process with the rest of my hair. I add the mousse, I add the gel, I scrunch my hair. You're also going to see me kind of finger coil some of the front pieces. I just like those pieces to be a little bit more defined, and you'll see at the end that it actually does make a big difference, but I'm going to continue scrunching. I'm even going to scrunch my hair upside down because it helps me get a lot of volume at the roots, and by doing this technique, I do feel like I compromise a little bit of definition, but I do end up getting a lot more volume this way. Okay, now I'm going in with a second mousse. So I'm using mousse, gel, and then another mousse. This is the Wella Nutri Curls mousse, and it's a curl enhancing mousse. It definitely does that. I don't like to evenly distribute this in my hair or apply too much because it can give my hair that crunchy feeling that I don't want. So I just add a little bit of this all throughout my hair, and then I scrunch my hair some more, and I just feel like this mousse really helps to bring out the curl even more. And now I'm diffusing my hair. I'm using my Shark Flex style that I'm obsessed with. I'm using it with the diffuser attachment, which is amazing because the way the diffuser is shaped allows the roots to be dried a lot more efficiently, and and I'm alternating between the no heat setting and the low heat setting. Diffusing definitely takes some time, but I keep doing this until my hair is about 90% dry. I even diffuse my hair upside down to get even more volume. After I diffuse, I'm just going to separate some of the curls that frame my face to just get them the way I want them, and I'm also going to add a hair oil. I like the Ritu oil from Uberlist, and I also like this oil from Kerastase. Today I'm using the one from Uberlist, and I like to scrunch the oil into my hair, and this just helps to soften up the hair a little bit more. And if there's any sort of cast that is left in my hair from the products that I was using, this will help to soften that up. So this is my hair when it's completely dry, and these are the products that I've been using for the last few weeks, except for the conditioner. And I do feel like my hair turned out a little bit frizzier this time because of that. So next time I'm going to show you exactly how I use a hair mask with a heat cap. I'll keep you updated on the other products that I try, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon.